Welcome to this brief review of how to download free scientific PowerPoint templates. And to do this, you just need to sign up for Simplified Science courses, and the link is in the description box. And after signing up, you can go to the Scientific PowerPoint Presentation course to get access to download both a blue and a red PowerPoint template. You also get access to a course that goes step by step on how to create an engaging talk using these templates. And what I want to show you now is just a tour of each of these templates to see what you get. Each template has over 35 slide options, and it is already formatted for a scientific talk, such as a lab meeting or a conference or a PhD dissertation, where all you need to do is click in and click and edit, add your new title, and your background slides, your outline slides are all ready in a reasonable order to add key information, as well as your acknowledgement slide at the end. And like I said, there's lots of different slide options to present your information in many different ways, with pre-formatted bullets, ideas for different images, using accent colors in creative ways. And you can change these accent colors, you can change what template colors you use, but there are some automatic shapes that you can even just use to highlight your results. And it's just a really handy, easy way to create a well-crafted scientific talk using the templates. And the red templates are very similar. They're just a slightly different theme. So here it's a much brighter, whiter theme and possibly easier to change the colors to a different color than red. So again, already in an outline that makes it very easy for you to make this your own with gray and red accents. And like I said, if you did want to create your own custom color, let's say you wanted to make this your university color and your university color isn't red, but it's purple, you can go ahead and update these shapes to change their fill and make it a presentation that aligns with your university's colors. To download these, just sign up for Simplified Science publishing courses, and you'll be able to download them directly from the website and also get access to many other professional design courses, both free and paid subscription, that can really help you build good presentation and design skills for your scientific career.